Good morning, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2011 Durango Crew. That's a good looking unit. Kind of a silver gray metallic. Tires are in great shape. Here's a look at the left front. They're all like this. They're very, very deep. Car does not smell like smoke. 3-row, second row bench. There's trailer hitch in it. Of course, power windows, power door locks. All-wheel drive. Got a backup camera. Got rear backup sensors on it. It's a nice unit. Let me show you. Power rear hatch. Third row seating. This is security. Goes across or even further forward. Floor mats in it. Sorry about the noise, a little windy out here today. Like I said, second row is the bench. And it's cloth. It's in great shape. Doesn't smell like smoke. AC controls for the back, or at least the outlets for the back. Looking at the driver's door. Got power windows, power door locks. Has memory seats on it, so they're programmable to the remote. Has automatic headlights. Power driver's seat. The seat's in great shape. Let me show you more. Radio system. Got AM, FM, satellite radio on it. That's a subscription based. Media controls. Individual temp controls. Trash control, 110 volts, park assist, that's the rear headrest. Got cruise control, Bluetooth for the phone, 77,800 miles on it, of course in an automatic. There's the 4-wheel drive system on it, so it's got 4-wheel drive, automatic in low, and neutral in it. Keys are remote start. It's a nice unit. Give me a ring on it.
Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.